Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by measuring and stabilizing humidity now. Use a digital hygrometer placed near the warm end. Note baseline over 24 hours. Add a deep water dish and choose a damp substrate pocket. Coconut fiber or sphagnum moss works. Place a hide box with a humid side. Perforate the lid for airflow. Once done, mist lightly in the morning to raise levels and check the meter. This first set of actions establishes the environment the snake will accept. Now you refine control to hold humidity steady. Use under-tank heat or a low-watt ceramic emitter so humidity doesn't collapse from excessive heat. Install an automated mister or ultrasonic humidifier on a timer for predictable cycles. Position output away from electronics. Layer substrate. A damp base with a drier top keeps moisture available without saturation. Make sure vents allow slow exchange. Too much airflow will defeat your humidifier, while too little invites mold. Balance is key. You finish by keeping the system consistent and responding to issues. Check the hygrometer twice daily and refill the water dish. Mist only to raise humidity without soaking substrate. Replace heavily damp substrate weekly and clean the hide so mold doesn't form. If humidity falls, first confirm your hygrometer is accurate, then reduce ventilation slightly or add another humidifier cycle rather than over-misting. If humidity spikes and mold appears, increase airflow and replace affected materials immediately.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.